1. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and search the application. 2. Download and install the application. 3. Run the application for few minutes and cash out. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It basically another one of the applications I've tried over the past few days, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Now before I get into this, if you are new to my YouTube channel, much appreciate if you will like now this video, and if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing. Because I upload videos every day about making money online for free, no credit card required. So our video today, it's about a free app designed for mobile phone users. For those asking how to earn using a phone, make sure you watch this video until the end. I will be sharing with you an app where you can earn unlimited Bitcoin. So if you like playing puzzle games and Candy Crush on your phone, this video definitely it's for you, my friend. And what I really liked about this game that I'm sharing with you is because it's free. There are no referrals required. It's a very simple, straightforward game. Anyone anywhere in the world can play this game. So if you are already interested, stay with me until the end of this video to learn what game this is, how to play it, and the most important thing, how to earn. Okay guys, before I share the game with you, here's our proof of payment. They pay you via Coinbase, so if you don't have an Coinbase account, you won't be able to cash out. So if you want to download or register a Coinbase account, you can do that easily by clicking the link in the description box below. So let's start. The game's name is Bitcoin Pop. How to install this in your phone. This is available for both Android and iPhone. You can download it in Google Play or App Store. It Bitcoin Pop, earn real Bitcoin. Just download and install, then open it. Just open the app, okay, and you will see the Get Started button in the screen. You will see continue with Google, Facebook and email address. In this case I will choose continue with Google because I already have an account. After signing up, it will automatically log in. There on top you can see your bling points and the cash out button. So now if you want to play, you can click this button here, the play button. So let's play. All you have to do is to match the balls with the same color. Just chill, relax and play. As you can see here, our goal is to collect 9 bottles of pop soda. The longer you are in the game, the higher your earnings. There you go, level 40 complete, and here are the stars that you will get. The more stars, the more points you will get. If you want to earn a full-time income from home, I highly suggest checking out my #1 recommendation by clicking the first link on the description box below. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe for more videos based on this content. With that being said, click cash out. Then here you will put your Coinbase email. Cash out complete. Just a minute after cashing out, I already got my Bitcoins using this application here in Coinbase. Note, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you won't be able to cash out. Click the link in the description box below to download or register your account if you don't have one. If you have any comment, questions, or have any experiences with Bitcoin Pop yourself, I would love to hear from you in a comment section below. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos. Enjoy your day.